Hello everyone, I'm Twinkle Sharma helping you crack Microsoft certification. So today our topic is Bicep, a simpler way to deploy Azure resources. So of now Azure 900 fundamentals. Bicep is a domain specific language DSL developed by Microsoft to simplify the authoring of Azure Resource Manager ARM templates. It provides a cleaner, more readable, and more maintainable syntax than JSON. Benefits of Bicep: no need of manually write JSON. Then tooling support with IntelliSense and error checking in VS Code. Reuse code using modules. Easily pass parameters, variables, and outputs. Backward compatible with ARM and Azure deployment engine. Then we have the Azure Advisor, your personalized cloud optimization guide. Azure Advisors is a free service in Microsoft Azure that analyzes your deployed resources and provides personalized, actionable recommendations to help you optimize your Azure environment across key areas. Purpose of Azure Advisors: cost, performance, security, reliability, operational excellence. So, the cost: identify underused or idle resources to reduce spend. Performance: improve speeds and responsiveness of applications. Security: strengthen your environment using Microsoft Defender recommendations. Reliability: increase service availability and business continuity. Operational excellence: follow best practices for deployment and monitoring. Then we have the Azure Advisor dashboards. Let me go to the Microsoft Azure Advisor. Here it is: the cost, security, reliability, operational performance, tricks, tips and tricks. Here it is, and here it will advise when we get started and do this thing. Okay. Then the Azure Service Health. Stay informed about Azure service issues. Azure Service Health is a personalized dashboard that helps you track the health of Azure services and regions that affect your environment. It provides alerts, guidance, and updates during both planned maintenance and unexpected outages. Purposes of Azure Service Health: monitor service issues, which stay informed about outages and disruptions affecting your resources. Receive guidance during incidents, get updates, workarounds, and estimated resolutions times. Track planned maintenance. Let about learn learn about scheduled events that may impact your services. Set up alerts. Get notifications via email, SMS, and webhook. Export health reports. Download incident logs for auditing and post-mortem reviews. Then we have Azure Monitor, end-to-end monitoring for your Azure environment. Azure Monitor is a platform for collecting data on your resources, analyzing that data. Visualizing Azure Monitor is a comprehensive monitoring service in Microsoft Azure that collects, analyzes, and act on telemetry data from your applications, infrastructures, and network, whether they are running in Azure on premises and in other clouds, the information and even acting on the results. Then we have the following diagram illustrates just how comprehensive Azure Monitor is. Here is the Azure Monitor. Here, the workloads, infrastructure, Azure platform, custom sources, the data platforms, metrics, logs, traces. Then we have the experiences, application, containers, virtual machine, network. Visualize, workbooks, dashboards, Power BI, Grafana, analyze, metric explorer, log analytics, respond, alerts and actions, autoscale. Integrate event hubs, logic apps, import and export API. Purpose of Azure Monitor: performance tracking, monitor the health and performance of applications and services, troubleshooting, detect, diagnose, and resolve issues faster. Telemetry collection: collect data from logs, metrics, traces, and diagnostics. Alerting and automation: set up alerts and trigger automated responses or workflows. Visibility and insights: gain real time and historical visibility in your systems. Then we have the benefit of Azure Monitor: full observability across Azure hybrid and multi-cloud environments, faster incident response and root cause analysis, automate recovery actions using logic apps and webhooks, leverage AI with smart detection and workbooks, centralized dashboarding for teams and operations. Then we have the Azure Log Analytics. Azure Log Analytics is the tool in the Azure portal where you will write and run log queries on the data gathered by Azure Monitor. Log Analytics is a robust tool that supports both simple complex queries and data analysis. You can write a simple query that returns a set of records and then use features of log analytics to sort, filter, and analyze the records. Then we have the Azure Monitor Alerts. Azure Monitor Alerts are an automated way to stay informed when Azure Monitor detects a threshold being crossed. You set the alert conditions, the notification actions, and then Azure Monitor Alerts notifies when an alert is triggered. Depending on your configuration, Azure Monitor Alerts can also attempt corrective action. Here it is shown. Save 026 total alerts new. This alerts can be set up to monitor the logs and trigger on certain log events, or they can be set to monitor metrics and trigger when certain metrics are crossed. For example, you could set a metric based alert up to notify you when the CPU usage on a virtual machine exceeded 80%. Alert rules based on metric provide near real time alerts based on numeric values. Rules based on logs allow for complex logic across data from multiple sources. Application insights: deep application monitoring in Azure. Application insights is a feature of Azure Monitor that provides performance monitoring, diagnostics, and telemetry for your applications, whether they run in Azure on premises or in other cloud environments. Then we have the purpose of applications insights, which is track application performance, which monitor the responses times. Then we have the diagnose failures, automatically detect exceptions and track them. Gain usage insight, understand user behavior and app usage attempts. Monitor availability, test app availability from multiple locations worldwide. Improves DevOps workflows, integrate with CI/CD pipelines. Then we have what it monitors. It monitors the request, dependencies, exceptions, performance counters, availability tests, custom events, and metrics. So it will do this monitoring things just like CPU, memory, and other system of metrics, incoming HTTP request responses times, outcomes, calls to external services like databases and APIs, etc. Then we have the key features. Key features is smart alerts, live metric streams, application map, analytics, KQL queries, integrations with DevTool. So the smart alerts get notified when anomalies are detected. Live metrics streams view real-time performance data as user interacts with your app. Application map visualize dependency or and their health. Analytics run deep queries on telemetry using Gusto query language. Integration with DevTool works with Visual Studio, GitHub, and the Azure DevOps and more. Then in the next video, we will do the Azure pricing. Hope you will understand the today's concept. Thank you for today. Bye bye.